Hey guys, it's official. I got my Note 9. I just got this in the mail, and so I'm so excited. I'm gonna be unboxing this quickly in front of you all to share my excitement. I went with the ocean blue. It's also available in midnight black here in Canada. I went into the store and tested them both out. Although I liked the black, I thought it was a little too plain, so decided to go a little funky and got myself this one. And it does come with the famous yellow S Pen, so I'm so excited. So let's get straight to the unboxing. Okay, I'm doing this standing up, so hopefully I don't drop anything. I like the nice premium packaging. Good job, Samsung. Let's put this bad boy to the side. Fail. Damn it! There we go. Got it. So excited. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay, this looks very similar to the S9 packaging, so I'm sure it's gonna be the same stuff in this box. But I'm gonna put this down first. All right, got the eject pin for your SIM card. What else? What else? Quick start guide. I never read any of these, but in case you need it, it's here available for you. All right, let's see what else is in this box. You got yourself a charging brick, standard charging brick, your OTG adapter. This is so cute. Sorry. All right, the fun stuff. You got your USB Type-C cable here. You also get the AKG earbuds. Now, I already own this. This actually came with the S9. They are freaking awesome. So I'm really happy about this, that I got a second pair. Moving on, some extra earbuds. And this thing, I think this is for the S Pen, to remove the tip, I think. Yeah. You got that. And that's it for the box. Now it's empty. Okay, I love that all the accessories came in black. And that way, over time, they're not gonna get dirty and be visibly dirty like the white ones. So really happy about that. Just gonna keep it very clean looking. All right, so here is the phone. I'm going to peel all the stickers. So here it goes. That felt so good. Alright, so I'm going to quickly grab my S9 just to show you guys a quick size comparison between the two, because this looks a lot bigger than my S9. As you can see, between the two, it's substantially larger than the S9. It's still holdable, but I can tell you right now that it's going to take some time for me to get used to. But I never owned a Note device, so I was curious to try it out and provide more content for you guys. Based on first impressions, now having these two colors in front of me, I think I prefer the lilac color, and I have to say that the S9 will still be my daily driver just because it fits perfectly into my purse and pockets. Up until this point, I've had no issues or hiccups with the S9, so it will be my daily driver moving forward. As for the Note 9, I got this because I wanted to test it out, and I wanted to do a bunch of videos and create more content for you guys. If this phone does not wow me, I have to say, I'm probably gonna pass this along to my husband. All right, so back to the main attraction. Here you have it, the ocean blue. I thought this color looked so nice and so classy. Honestly, I was about to buy the black one, but I'm like, heck with it. Why play it safe? And I love that the fact that it came with a beautiful, bright yellow S Pen. This looks so nice, and I think the colors go so well with each other. Oh, what the heck, it sticks! Let's power this bad boy up and test it out. All right, here we go. Alright, I'm going to set up the Note 9 and put all my information in, so I'm going to wrap the video up here. Do expect a bunch of Note 9 videos in the upcoming weeks. If you guys have any questions regarding the Note 9, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Also, I pre-ordered the Galaxy Watch. I'm super excited to receive that. I've never owned a smartwatch before, so I'm curious to see how useful it is for training and for tracking your overall health. Thank you all so much for sticking around. If you made it this far, leave a peace emoji so that I know you are here. Until the next one, peace. Bye.